Okay, so we have another look at the inside of the MXD-D5C. We have a connector down here on the main board. It's labeled CN301, that's connector 301. That is traveling up to our audio board. I have that sitting aside right now. It is still connected. We're going to go over here and hit play on the deck. I have a CD loaded up. It's the new Erasure single when I start to break it all down. So that's going to start playback. We have our digital audio coming out from the new TOSlink connection on the CD side going down to the stereo receiver. So let's look at the distribution block that I've got built here. This is where all of the signals and power and ground get distributed out to the various digital audio connectors on that back panel. So we'll start here with the power and grounds. These are being sourced from the main board, connector 800, CN800, and we can see these two pins here, pin number 1 and pin number 6. Those are ground and positive 5 volt respectively. This is a great place to pull these power and ground from because this is a connector that's normally unused. It's labeled as a test connector on the Sony schematics. So those cables go and end up on that distribution block, and that lets me split out the grounds to all 4 of the rear connectors for the TOSlink optical and the coaxial digital connectors. Those each require a ground. The TOSlink connectors require the positive 5 volt only, so that's nice that we don't have to worry about 5 volt DC on the coaxial connectors. So we're going to have a look here at the audio board. Let's flip this guy back over very carefully. So we can see here, this is the inside of the audio board. We've got this connector right here, and pins number 1 and number 3, that's where we're able to pick up the digital audio stream for the CD and minidisc units. So we've got the sort of pinkish colored cable is on pin 1, and that's the SPDIF 0 or minidisc side. The third pin over is the CD cord, the CD SPDIF 1 signal, and each of those is being tapped with a very small pin that's been soldered to wire with a little bit of heat shrink tubing there for insulation there at the connector so they don't touch. So those wires trace over to our distribution block, and we can see how they are connected there at the end, and those signals get further split out to each of the TOSlink and coaxial digital outputs. So we've got the CD side over here, and then we've got the minidisc side over here, and that about sums up how to wire up the optional digital audio outputs from the MXD-D5C. And thanks for watching.